Welcome to Passive Cash Flow, a channel dedicated to guiding you towards financial independence through sustainable passive income streams. When venturing into the realm of developing internal systems within your business, navigating through the intricacies demands a strategic approach. The orchestration of a business involves a multitude of interconnected systems, making it a formidable and intricate machinery. To unravel the complexity embedded within this amalgamation of systems, it becomes imperative to not only comprehend the intricacies, but also to streamline the processes comprehensively. Embarking on this journey without a meticulous strategy can lead to chaos. I've personally experienced the challenges of rapid business growth, where the attempt to document and implement systems resulted in a tangled web of inefficiencies. Understanding the distinction between standard operating procedures, SOPs, and systems is crucial in this context. Recognizing the need for a structured approach, my team and I set out to design a systematic methodology for building systems. This wasn't just another layer of complexity. It was a deliberate effort to simplify the intricate nature of our business systems. Through trial and error, we distilled the process into a comprehensive framework encompassing 5 key steps and 5 essential questions to be addressed at every stage of system development and implementation. As we delve into the specifics in this video, I'll guide you through each of these steps and questions. But the journey doesn't end there. Launching your systems requires a meticulous eye for detail. Toward the end of this discussion, I'll share 2 critical steps to be taken when going live to ensure seamless functionality. So, don't rush through this information. Stick around until the very end. We're not just unraveling the complexities of system building, we're providing a roadmap for sustainable and efficient business operations. Let's dive into the first step of this transformative process: mapping. Initiating the journey with crafting a robust system serves as the cornerstone of your entire venture, marking a pivotal moment at the outset. If you haven't delved into the intricacies of system mapping, fear not. We've dedicated an entire video to this crucial topic. Take a moment to watch that video because it lays the foundation for comprehending how to effectively map your systems and where to commence the process. Assuming you've already grasped the essence of system mapping, let's delve into the subsequent steps of not only constructing, but seamlessly implementing these systems. Step 2 awaits, promising to unfold further insights into this transformative journey. Now that we've set the groundwork with system mapping, it's time to dive into step 2, capturing your processes. This is the pivotal phase where you meticulously record the intricate steps and processes essential for accomplishing your workflow goals. Here, the focus is on capturing, not yet on detailed documentation. The primary objective is to record the steps required to successfully navigate through a specific workflow. Whether you're the key player in these processes or collaborating with team members, the emphasis is on capturing the essence of the workflow. This isn't the time for exhaustive documentation. Instead, it's about choosing the most effective method to record these steps. Consider employing tools like Loom to create video recordings, where you or your team members can visually share and explain the step-by-step process through screen sharing. Alternatively, the process capture could involve someone observing and logging the steps as you perform them, or even recording a video demonstration of a physical process. The key is to identify the most convenient and impactful way to capture these processes comprehensively. By having a recorded representation, you create a valuable resource that allows you to revisit and analyze the workflow repeatedly. This iterative review ensures a deep understanding of the steps involved in progressing from the starting point to the completion of the process. As we navigate through this transformative journey of building and implementing systems, let's not merely pass through these steps, but delve into them, ensuring a thorough understanding of the intricacies involved. Stay tuned for what unfolds beyond this point. As we progress through the system building journey, the next crucial step is the meticulous documentation of your processes. Documenting processes and workflows can manifest in a myriad of formats, offering flexibility to cater to the unique nuances of your business operations. Initially, consider creating a comprehensive table. Within this structured framework, outline the system's purpose, enumerate associated processes, designate responsible individuals, and specify the pertinent documents for reference. This foundational step sets the stage for a more detailed documentation process. Moving beyond the table, the focus shifts to capturing the essence of your workflows. This could take the form of a step-by-step process or a visual representation like a flowchart. The objective is to articulate the sequence of events, responsibilities, dependencies, and potential roadblocks within the workflow. I encourage you to explore it after completing this video. Once the workflow is comprehensively documented, the journey advances to the heart of the matter. Standard Operating Procedures, SOPs. SOPs offer granular insights detailing step-by-step instructions for each component of the process. This includes specifying expected outcomes, personnel responsibilities, software tools, and the intricate actions required at each stage. Enhancing clarity, these instructions can be presented in various formats, such as documents linked to videos or illustrated with snapshots. The aim is unmistakable precision, leaving no room for ambiguity regarding how a particular task is executed. Furthermore, SOPs delve into quality control, elucidating the intended results and the criteria for evaluating their achievement. Here, the incorporation of checklists becomes instrumental, providing a systematic approach for quality assurance. In essence, the process of documenting your systems extends beyond mere procedural listings. It encapsulates the comprehensive recording of workflows, processes, and SOPs. Stay tuned as we unravel the subsequent steps in this transformative journey. With all your meticulous documentation in place, the natural progression leads us to step 4, testing. This phase is not merely a formality, but a critical juncture where the effectiveness of your systems is put to the test. To ensure a comprehensive evaluation, it's advisable to enlist the expertise of an individual who hasn't been involved in the prior stages of mapping and documentation. Select someone with the requisite qualifications and proficiency, yet detached from the initial processes. This ensures an unbiased examination of your documented procedures. The underlying principle is to ascertain that the designated tasks are executed with consistent quality and yield the intended results every single time. Consistency being the linchpin of an effective system. The ultimate goal is to create systems and processes that are not reliant on specific individuals. Imagine being able to delegate tasks seamlessly, irrespective of personnel changes. The ability to bring in a new, qualified team member and have them effortlessly follow the documented systems is akin to the operational model of successful franchises like McDonald's. Whether you're in Tokyo or New York, the experience and outcomes remain consistent, a replicable success model. By subjecting your documented systems to this stringent testing phase, you're not just validating their functionality, you're establishing a foundation for scalability and resilience within your business operations. This is a pivotal step towards crafting a business that can adapt and thrive, irrespective of personnel transitions or external variables. Stay tuned as we progress further into the transformative landscape of system building, uncovering additional layers that contribute to the fortification of your business processes. Having subjected your systems to rigorous testing, the subsequent phase is one of perpetual refinement. Consider this step as a cyclical process where testing seamlessly transitions into improvement, and this iterative cycle continues to elevate the efficiency of your systems. When engaging in the improvement phase, several critical considerations come to the forefront. Firstly, examine for any potential ambiguity in your documentation. Ensure that each step is crystal clear, leaving no room for confusion. Delve into whether any complexity exists that might hinder comprehension, or if there are steps that could be inadvertently omitted. Evaluate the efficiency of each process. Pinpoint elements that may be redundant or inefficient, and explore opportunities to streamline or eliminate them. However, the central focus during the improvement phase is on the art of simplification. It's imperative to avoid the pitfall of overly complex standard operating procedures, SOPs, that end up collecting dust on shelves. The goal is simplicity. Make your systems intuitive, accessible, and user-friendly. This iterative process of testing and improving is a dynamic dance, ensuring that your systems evolve in tandem with your business needs. It's not about creating rigid structures, but fostering adaptive and efficient workflows. As we traverse through this cycle of enhancement, it's crucial to strike a balance between detail and simplicity. Once this refinement dance concludes, your systems are poised for action. However, before going live, it's essential to revisit the questions raised earlier in the process. These questions serve as beacons, guiding you through the intricate steps of system building. Each query prompts thoughtful reflection, ensuring that your systems align with your overarching business goals. In the upcoming sections, we'll delve into these pivotal questions, shedding light on their significance at various stages of system development. Moreover, as we approach the prospect of going live, there are key considerations and actions that demand attention. So, stay engaged until the end to unravel the full spectrum of insights and strategies that pave the way for seamless business operations. In closing, I want to emphasize the pivotal role that mindset plays in the successful implementation of systems within your business. Building robust and efficient systems isn't just about the technicalities. It's about cultivating a mindset of adaptability, continuous improvement, and a commitment to simplification. As you embark on this transformative journey, remember that challenges are inevitable, but they are also opportunities for growth. Approach each hurdle with a problem-solving mindset and view the refinement process as a chance to elevate your business operations to new heights. I sincerely hope that the insights shared in this video serve as a catalyst for positive change in your business. Success in system building is not just measured by the seamless execution of tasks, but by the sustainable growth and resilience your business achieves. If you found value in this content, I invite you to hit that like button to show your support. Moreover, consider subscribing to the channel for more in-depth insights tailored to business owners like yourself. By joining our community, you'll stay abreast of the latest strategies and approaches to navigate the intricate landscape of entrepreneurship. Remember, your success is not just a destination, it's a journey, and I look forward to being a part of your ongoing success story. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep innovating, keep refining, and keep growing.